Chat on God if y'all doing that SWATTED shit right now, y'all weird, bro. Chill, bro. Y'all gotta chill with that shit, bro. Look, now the police at the table, bro. Chill, bro. Y'all gotta chill, bro.
Hey, is your name Adin Ross?
Yeah.
Can you come talk to us real quick?
May I ask why?
Yeah. Just real quick. Quick conversation.
Okay.
Where you are? You're not getting arrested or anything like that.
Okay.
Y'all gotta chill.
Yeah, very bad.
No,
I'm with them. What are you talking about?
Hey, I'm fucking party security.
He's with us. Calm down. What's wrong with you? But he tripping on us for no reason.
He's with us.
You're telling me to step back for what reason?
Hold on, JJ, we're good, bro. We're good, bro.
Shut the fuck up, nigga. Shut your bitch ass up, nigga.
Man, chill out.
He's being disrespectful to me. Tell him so tell him to stop being disrespectful. The fuck? That's not how you treat people.
Hey, you want to leave? Or what do you think, bro? Cops are coming.
I know.